Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my name is Siri and welcome back to another video. Guys, before anything, I would like to wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Before I talk anything about my brother, I would like to play a few clips of everything that has took place today because for us, of course, it's a very special day in the year. So you please watch them and I'll be right back. On this occasion of Raksha Bandhan, I would like to talk something about my brother, of course. You guys already know the amount of importance I give to my brother in every single video of mine. I just keep talking about him in some or the other way. Of course, when I say this to people, could seem like an exaggerating thing, but for me, the bond is very special between us, to be honest. And it is something that I cannot express in words, of course, but I will somehow try to put all the emotion, all the love that I have towards him in the beautiful words possible. So yeah, my brother and I used to fight a lot when we were kids. Of course, everyone does that. We used to fight till an extent where we would not even speak to each other for at least 1 month or so. But later, when we were growing up, I think the bond has also been growing up with us. I think from the past 6 or 7 years, I can't even tell you, bond has been really, really special for both of us. It I mean, it came to an extent where my brother cannot live without me, even for like 2, 3 days. You know, I went to the trip, Ooty trip, right? I can't even tell you how he was for those 2, 3 days. I was like, it's only 3 days, but he could not stay without me, and he cannot stay without me. I know that. I know it sounds exaggerating, but he actually tells me that Siri, you're not getting married and you're not going anyway. But I keep telling him that someday I'll get married and I'll have to go. But he'll not accept the fact. He doesn't even want to accept the fact. Even for my 21st birthday recently, more than being happy, he was a bit sad for the fact that Siri is growing up now. Now, when Siri grows up, she has to get married to someone, she'll go with her husband and all. She thinks all of that, and it's very, very hard to believe for him. I mean, that's how we are. And the only person who's extremely important to me in my life after my parents is, of course, my brother, we are like friends. I share literally everything with my brother. Like every single thing that happens in my life, my brother knows that. And one thing I really feel lucky about is that he's never narrow minded. Everything that I take, of course, he's protective, of course, he's possessive, of course, he's extremely loving, caring, and of course, he will shout at me a lot of times, but I only see love behind it. And he's just special to me. And he's just extremely, extremely special to me. If there's one place that no one can ever replace in my life, is my brother. I cannot imagine anyone else in my brother's place. I can never ever imagine. He is the perfect brother that I've ever got in my life. Like you name it, he supports me in that. That's how he is. And sometimes he's overprotective and I feel scared of that. Pandu, you're becoming too overprotective for me, but that's how he is. That's the love that he has towards me. Even the blood painting that he has done on my birthday, I scolded him that why do you have to do all this stuff? But he was like, I have so much of love upon you. I do not know how to express that. So I could only do this. My words might not speak, but my actions speak. That's the reason I got this for you. That's the reason I took this step and got my blood and got a painting done out of it, which is of course very special. Every day I look at it and I go to him and ask, how did you do it? It keeps happening between us. And yeah, touch wood that we have a very good bond between us, and I'm extremely lucky. There's not even one single day that I don't thank God for having a brother like him. Like I'm not even kidding. There's not even a one single day like that. So yeah, I'm extremely happy for the fact that I have an amazing brother. And talking about Ganeshana is my brother's friend who's also like my own brother. He is also like my brother. He treats me like his own sister. He always tells me that, Siri, you are like my own sister. And I am super lucky to have these kind of brothers in my life. And talking about Sammi, who's Nishiaka's brother, my Tammudu, I think he and I have a very special bond. And let me just show you something. So he gifted this to me on Rakhi on today, which is a watermelon pot. So look at the thought behind it. I love watermelon. You know that, right? And I love plants. So he put that into his idea and got both of them in one. Like it's a pot and also a watermelon. So that's pretty thoughtful of him. I've been telling him that how did you do it? So yeah, the kind of bond that I have with my brothers is unbeatable and something that everyone wishes for. But I'm glad, lucky that I got that in my life without even asking. Always grateful for that. I will never ever take that for granted. And yeah, that's it. That's what I really wanted to express to all of you in today's video. And the reason why you guys are seeing me today in my channel is also because of my brother. If he did not encourage me or if he did not give me that strength to start my YouTube channel, I would not have started. It's all because of him. I give complete credits to him. If there's any video that is coming on my channel, there's a lot of work that has gone into it. It could be my work or my brother's work, but there's a lot of work that has gone into it. So if you are seeing me today like this, it's only because of my brother, I would say. So yeah, touch wood, touch wood for everything. So I hope you have celebrated Raksha Bandhan in a very nice manner. So do let me know in the comment section how did you guys celebrate it, and let me know what your siblings mean to you, and I would love to know about that. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of funny stories with your own siblings. Even I do. Maybe I'll make a separate video with my brother itself sitting. Maybe today I'll try to plan, but yeah, this is what I would like to tell you, and I will catch you guys after a while. So, guys, my brother is right here with me. So, we are here to narrate a beautiful incident that has happened in our childhood. I mean, there are lots, guys. I can't even tell you, countless. But this is something that I think my brother will remember forever. Even he's gonna say that to his kids as well, that your aunt has done this. You should not do like that. Yeah. So once what happened? So we usually come back from school very early at around 4:30 or something, but my parents come back from the office at around 6. So we are the ones who come early. So I came back from the school, I changed my dress, and out of the situation we started fighting. This happens to us almost every day, we fight. So I bet him, you know, that is something that I do. So but the problem is, even if I do this, it's not gonna hurt him, but even if we do this, it'll hurt me, because the strength is different. So I bet him, and he bet me in return, and I got angry, and I got so much of anger that I just started crying. So I used to cry so much in my childhood. My brother would always call me that, why are you crying in every single situation? But I used to be like that. Now I have changed. But yeah, so I got so angry that I thought of saying that to my mom and my dad. But my parents are not going to believe me if I say simply that my brother bet me. So there has to be some proof. So what I've done is I just cried and slept.
Then she have created some drama there. So what she have done is she was very criminal minded, guys. You don't think like she was calm and cool. Then what she have done is, first there nothing wrong that I've done there. So first she bet me. Then I used to bet. Obviously there will be some other reaction. So I bet her. So it was not enough to show our parents. So it was a big plan, and on her shoulder, I think left shoulder, or right shoulder, I don't know. That kumkuma water. She mixed that kumkuma in that water, and we just poured some ear on the shoulder just to show our parents that I've uh, better, and just because of that the blood had come out, and she just want me to, I mean, just want my dad to beat me like heavily.
Yeah.
And it was happened just before also, but she want to repeat it again.
Yeah. So how can I prove then? How can I prove that
She
my
was
brother?
very cruel, guys. You know what, just tell your age at this time, at this situation happened.
I could be like 8 or 9, something like that.
Listen. She's almost studying at fourth or
Fifth
fifth standard
standard,
around.
yeah.
So I'm around like sixth or seventh standard. So how criminal minded she have at that point of time. You can't imagine, guys. Like, you know, only one side of Siri. There are a lot of angles in the Siri.
No,
And
guys.
there is another situation where she attempted a murder on me,
No!
like because of the TV remote.
That was not. It was not.
Because of the TV remote, she used to fight like she was like a soldier. And in this, no, Siri also.
I pushed you from
Ah,
the bed.
yeah. She pushed me from bed.
He fell down, and I started laughing.
My hand broken on that day.
Yeah, he started crying.
Obviously, I'll cry. I don't have these ideas to make drama like without doing anything.
So he started crying, looking at him. Even I had to feel sad, no? But I started laughing that, why are you
know what
crying?
she'll do? First, she'll beat me. Then I'll beat her. So then
Start
again,
crying.
she'll cry. She'll cry. She'll After crying also, when the parents are about to come, she'll be crying and she'll beat me like anything. And after, how the scenarios will be, will be replicating like I only bet her without not doing anything. She was like an innocent. She's it like an innocent guy. So
Yeah.
I'm the Joker.
Culprit.
Joker. I can say it Joker. Not
Yeah.
a culprit.
He's the culprit, guys. See, every time I'm really. See, I used to be very cute when I was a kid. I used to not beat you only. So.
We are like
Tom
enemies.
and Jerry.
Not a Tom and Jerry. Sometimes Tom and Jerry will patch up,
Yeah.
but we are not. We won't. Like it's a never-ending war.
Even till today, we shout on each other every single day. That
Now it have become, we are grown-up, matured people.
But
On that
still-
time, it was like a India-Pakistan war.
really, like, it used to be so bad that I had to plan all these dramas.
And one day, I was built to Daddy.
I didn't do anything.
Listen. I haven't done anything. Just I beat her on her shoulder. So
Yeah.
immediately she went to her. Sorry, she went to my father and she told him, and he came with a belt. Okay, it was a very worst day. He beat me with a belt. I roar like anything. వద్దులేండి చెప్తే బాగోదు.
No, it's enough. I mean, see.
I'm the innocent guy, guys.
No, guys, she's not innocent.
She'll beat me and she'll only cry. She complain on me, and she portrait me. I'm the one. I'm the criminal. culprit.
Guys, do I look like that?
That is the thing. That is the reason she's doing like that. She'll do even now. She'll beat me. She'll beat me, and she call daddy.
Well, I'll hit him whenever there is a fight. I'll hit him, And the moment he starts to hit me, I'll call my dad. Daddy, I'll call,
After watch, Daddy, please watch this video. My
Daddy,
dad
no.
gonna watch this
Daddy,
video
no,
for
no.
sure.
That is real only, Daddy.
And what? There is nothing happen. I mean, nothing going to happen if dad realize after this.
Dad will be like, okay, you must have bet her. That's why she's shouting. So,
That is our party.
yeah, he's my party, of course. So, see, do I look like that? Do I look like that criminal-minded person?
Criminals will not look like that, but
I
the
look
mindset,
very.
the ideas. I don't know where they come from.
Guys, don't believe anything. I'm like very calm and
No.
chill person. See, I'm not calm.
One day I'll post this. What this
Drama.
this drama over the. I mean, I'll just record this and I'll put my Instagram and I'll tag over the
Sirirama.
Siri Ramala. You can watch it and you can
Mm.
change your mind also.
Guys, no, guys, I'm really. See, whatever you see on camera is also true. That is one side
That
of
is
me.
one side. Yeah.
That is one side. That's there. But there's another side which you haven't seen, which is not culprit and criminal minded. That's only with my brother I do. I don't do it with anyone else, and also with Ganeshan now, who is behind the camera.
Mm.
I do that. Papa.
Innocent.
He's
He
very,
won't shout.
he won't even shout. He's that innocent. At least this person will shout on me or hit me. That person will not even shout on me. Even if I hit him, even if I shout on him, he'll be like, okay, Siri, that's it. And yeah, guys, these are the moments that we had in our childhood. I can't even tell you how many are there. There are countless moments like this. Almost every day we used to fight. Every day there used to be a fight, and my
And
mother would
even-
be fed up.
And even when we are kids, you like she want like what I have. Okay, like if ignore that is a chocolate or what. Even if I have that crane soap, and she used to cry, and I have a photo of that, and I had a photo of that, and I'll show you guys.
Okay, I'll add that picture right here. You can see that.
She's just crying just for that crane soap.
I love like
She don't like it, but I have that one, so that is the reason she wanted.
bro. But okay, remaining things I'll agree. But that crane is the one that I love a lot. So almost every single photo of mine right from my childhood
She's lying.
has that crane. I'll cry for that crane. I don't know why.
Our scar kosam kuda isna.
Yeah, I'll cry for
Which
everything.
Chinnu is there in that pic.
Yeah, you were there, right?
In our childhood, we at that point of time we don't have that smartphones or
right?
anything. So every occasion, like every event, we just want to save our things as a memory. Like we used to go to the photo studio and we just click some pictures there over there. And when we are in childhood, we'll be having in photo studios we'll be having some
Equipment.
cars and bikes. So if I sit on a bike and she wants
I
it.
want that.
If I sit on a car,
I want that.
and that photographer fed up and he just clicked that photo, the same thing, and I'll show that one also.
No, don't show. I'll not put that. So almost in every picture of my childhood, I'll be crying only.
Yeah.
Very few are the ones that I keep smiling. Even the ones that you see me, the drawing one, that also I'm crying. So I'll keep crying all the time when I was a child. But as soon as I grown up, I think I stopped crying a little
No.
bit.
Even just 1 month back, she cried on terrace when it was raining. No reason ఏంటంటే నన్ను వదిలేపండు ఇక్కడ నుంచి. Even she have a habit of that crying today also.
But today, if I have
Even at that, I mean, at the beginning days of this YouTube channel, she used to cry like she don't know what to make the content. If
guys, like if I go through stress, I feel tears are the ones that let my pain go off. So that's why I cry.
I'll beg like anything, like what happened, tell me, share with me. The only thing I don't like is silence.
The only
That-
thing I like
That
is
she
silence.
maintain is silence.
The only thing I like is silence. I just don't want.
No, I don't want
people-
silence, guys. I just want to people. They need to share the things. They need to share that sorrow things and everything.
I won't share. So I'm a person who doesn't
Why?
like
Then
sharing.
what is the meaning that I'm there, right?
No, okay, we will not fight now. It's okay. So yeah, these are the kind of moments that we had from our childhood, which is like a little war, I would say. And my mother used to be fed up. And she would be like, okay, I'll get you guys sticks. You just keep hitting each other. I can't do anything. Even till today, she says that if we start fighting, she'll be like, shall I get some sticks for all of you? Shall I get something that you can beat with? So, yeah, that's how we are. But I know But my brother cannot live without me, guys. I know that. I know that. You know that too.
She won't marry guy.
Ah!
For the guys who proposing, I'm just seeing those comments and emails also. She won't get married. Not even. I don't think so. Even if get married, I'll decide that there are some limitations and conditions. So please don't come near of that test.
No, guys. See, I'll get married someday. Not now, but after like 5 or 6 years or whatever.
There are some limitations for that. Conditions.
Only someone my brothers approves
Hmm.
or selects.
Interview.
Interview.
Yeah, get ready
So-
for the interview. Applications will be released soon.
You can't say that, Pandu.
Yeah. Then obviously I'm gonna reject everything, right? Let them.
So yeah, that was it. If we just have to narrate everything, the story keeps going on. But yeah, the best
We'll
brother
explain the
ever.
things. We'll explain our
The
journeys
best
one by
brother
one.
ever I got in my life. Yeah.
Hmm.
Thank you.
Burra dinege.
To irritate him every single day.
Every single hour.
What I do is he has one room, so he'll be sitting and doing his work. All of a sudden, from somewhere, I'll go to his room and open the door, see, and go back again. I mean, just to irritate him, I do all that stuff. But yeah, I take care of him a lot. Say that.
Yeah, you'll take care of me a lot.
I do know.
Yeah, you do.
Then say reality. You don't
Guys,
laugh.
she'll take care of me.
Why are you laughing when you're saying that? So I'll take care of him.
No,
guys.
she'll take care of me. Like she'll give healthy foods. She'll control my diet. Mm.
Yeah. So
She'll not let me eat the junk food and all this.
yeah. So he can't live without me, guys. So
Mm.
obsessed with me.
So that's the
Addicted.
reason I'm gonna leave. I'm not gonna leave
Yeah,
you.
ma.
Guys. Okay.
Okay, guys.
And everyone, each and everyone, I'm
don't take
a warning.
Don't take this seriously, guys.
Take it serious.
No, guys. So, guys, we'll see you in
So,
the.
tell some names who have proposed.
No,
you.
no, no. I don't want to have like crazy stories of proposals, which I might explain in the coming videos. I'm not sure.
Hmm.
Oh, but yeah, I'll cut.
In video, you'll get the like reactions of that proposals. Not
His reactions on my proposals. He
Okay.
knows, I think, every single thing.
You don't tell what.
You don't tell me what to do.
This is a reality. తెలిసిపోయింది వాళ్ళకు కూడా.
So guys, we'll be back with another video very very soon. So we hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and it was just on spot. I just got him and I said, "You
It was-
sit."
I didn't prepare anything.
Yeah, we were like, yeah, sit and you just talk. That's how this video was. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and
Support me.
subscribe.
Per channel and support me. Please save me. Please, guys.
So guys, we'll see you soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye. Say bye.
Bye, bye,
Bye, guys.
guys.